I have been spending money again. Oh my god, can't help myself. Hi guys, so today I will film a haul video that I've done. They're all designers, I've kind of smelled them in the past, don't remember quite how they smell anymore, so you will get a kind of a first impression. Alright, okay, planned. So I will show you what I got. Maison Margiela Replica Jazz Club. I remember liking it. The new Acqua Profondo. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for men. And a very well-known fragrance, 1 million. This one I have bought because I remember every time I speak to clients of mine and they've been on a date with a guy and I ask them like, hey, what was the guy wearing? Do you know it? And it's this one. And so apparently it doesn't really matter for all the girls if their father have it, if their brother have it, and if the guy they're dating, they have it. Girls really love this fragrance. So I really have this one also to wear for myself because I know women don't really wear this one. But it was kind of really sweet, so I can pull it off also. And also to make some fragrance battles in the future and still see if I let girls smell this one blind, if this one is still the first one they will like to smell on a man. So that's also coming in the future. Yves Saint Laurent L'Homme and Yves Saint Laurent La Nuit de l'Homme. Last one, Guerlain L'Homme Idéal Cologne. And I got 2 more samples, so we're also going to see what I think of those. It is L'Homme Idéal Eau de Toilette and Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Male Le Parfum. I remember smelling it in the store, also with the other Armani one, the Profundo, I think, the black one. I like this one more. Yeah, another magnetic cap. Like guys, come on, we really like the magnetic cap. Why would you not make it on this one? Oh yeah. Oh, right away from the opening, it is really fresh, aquatic. It reminds me also of the old Acqua di Gio, but that one isn't so strong. Ooh, I really like this. Yeah, it's how I remember first spraying this one, liking it right away. Yeah, I would definitely wear this and I would like to smell this on a man too. Definitely in a high heat. Today it is really hot. I think my hair is like sticking. Oh yeah, for the guys that watch football and want to know, Real Madrid, yeah, a la Madrid. But actually I'm not really a Real Madrid kind of person. I like Ronaldo, that's why I got the shirt. I'm a fan of him, so sorry if I disappoint you. And for the people that are wondering why I don't wear female perfumes or female colognes, I don't like them. They all smell really girly, really fruity floral. Really nothing special to me. A cat is going to shit right now, so if you hear something, it's the cat shitting. Oh, I'm trying to smell nice here. And you want to go to shit. Yves Saint Laurent L'Homme. Oh yeah. I get like an apple. I don't know if there's an apple in the notes, but that's definitely fruits. It's a little bit woody. Yeah, it's really nice. Nice and fresh, just clean. You like it right away. I mean, like all designer fragrances you like right away. It's just, they're made to be liked very easily. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear this, but I like the Acqua di Gio Profondo more. Yeah, that one I think is more special, but we will come back to it later. Guerlain L'Homme Idéal Cologne. Let's see what I think of that one. Oh, what a nice bottle. This one I'm gonna smell blind. I haven't smelled this one, but I've heard people on the internet talking about it, that it would be good. So we will see if they are right or not. Nice sprayer. Maybe I'm already nose blind from the other ones. Yeah, just fresh, citrusy. To be honest with you, I'm not very impressed with this one. I'm happy it was like 20 euros. Am I gonna wear it? Yes. Definitely with working out or something like that. I think it's very unisex, men and women can wear it. But it's not sexy or anything special. No, it's not so special. Ooh, every time I go back there, I smell the Acqua di Gio. I'm really impressed by that one. I'm also gonna grab a cup of coffee right now because get my nose cleared again. Yeah, I love coffee. And you guys, subscribe to me. Do that, come on. And in the meantime, while I grab my coffee, I'll give you the option. I would highly appreciate it if you'd subscribe to me. Alright, next one. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I always like, when I was young, the commercial of the guy like jumping into the water, swimming to the woman, like very hot, sexy guy. So let's see if it's still like as it was in my memory. Alright, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. Let's see. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, just very nice, fresh to the beach. Sea salty-ish, citrusy. This is just a very good summer cologne. Very likable right away. I would wear this definitely. I think it's unisex. I don't find... Oh. Woo! Well, that's out of the way. Yeah, no, it's... I don't find this very manly. I find this very unisex. Women can wear this too. Yeah, we come back to it later. Let's sniff my coffee again. I'm really a coffee addict. Really. I'm so happy I got all of these. Until now, I like all of them. Yves Saint Laurent La Nuit de l'Homme. Let's see. Also, I hear people talking about this fragrance that it doesn't project anymore, that it isn't so good as how it was. But I know normal people don't spray enough, especially with designers. You should overspray designers. They're not strong. They're not strong at all. I can kind of understand why you think I'm crazy. I overspray with niche fragrances, really heavy too. But this, really, designer fragrances at least 16. And then you're projecting really good. Else not. Designers ain't gonna help you with 5 or 2 sprays. Ooh, hello. Oh, it is sexy. Immediately when we come to the darker ones, I'm like, sexy. I really like darker kind of fragrances, sweet. Why didn't I pick this up earlier? This is totally my thing. I would definitely wear this. Ooh, this is really sexy. I don't find it really masculine or anything. It's just like metrosexual date kind of a fragrance. You want to get close to that someone. Ooh, I want to get close to myself when I'm wearing this. Paco Rabanne 1 million. So long time ago. This really... I've had this one in the past. I wore this already. And you know what? Maybe you should get it again. Because... people ain't wearing it so much anymore, I think. No, they still do. But here in the Netherlands, I never smell fragrance on a guy. Guys in the Netherlands, please spray more. With designer fragrances, 16. At least 16. Also when you're in England, we kind of have the same weather. Spray more. Designer fragrances don't project so much. Spray. We girls want to smell you. I still love the bottle as well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know. I know why girls like this. Oh, very nice opening. It reminds me a bit of Coca-Cola. Yeah. Very nice, sweet. It is sexy. You know, what I think and what I should suggest you if you're a man, still get this one in your collection, but don't wear this one when you want to make an impression on a woman. Then don't. Because you smell like everybody else. If you want to make an impression, wear something different, but still have this one in your collection, because if you have made your impression with another fragrance and then one time, I don't know, your guys are already together and stuff like that, and you're gonna go and you spray this on, she will like it. And girls, you can wear this too, really. Yeah, I wear this. But I like the smell of La Nuit de l'Homme better. Alright, and last one. I've been looking forward to smell this one. I also only smelled this one time. Like maybe 1 year or 2 years ago. And I remember liking it, but it wasn't beast mode enough for me. Because really like 2 years ago, I wanted beast mode, everything beast mode. If it didn't project and it didn't stay for 12 hours, I was mad. I think that's why I didn't pick this one up. Okay, Jazz Club. Let's see. I'm standing here and the Acqua di Gio is projecting like a beast. That one comes to my nose the whole time. There has to be ambroxan in it. Ambroxan is not listed in the nose. Listed in the notes, but it has to be in it because it projects. Oh yeah. I'm thinking like Dolce & Gabbana the One. That's what I'm thinking of with this fragrance. But then this one is better. This one is much better. Ooh. Yeah. My thing. This is my thing. Yeah. Also this one is very likable right away. What do I get? I just get a sweetness. I get a sweetness. And some kind of a wood. But I don't know if wood is listed in the notes. Male fragrance, not at all. No. Male standing on there. Nope. Nope. I'm gonna wear it. Oh yeah, I have some samples. Let's see what I think about the samples. Alright, let's see what I think of the new Jean Paul Gaultier. Oh, if I'm gonna like this, I need to buy this one as well. Shit. I need to buy this. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. This kind of makes the impression on me like the La Nuit de l'Homme. Very sweet, woody. Oh, very nice. It is. Huh? This gives a little bit of an Oriental kind of a vibe to me. Let's see, what are the notes? Woody Oriental. Cardamom. Oh, that's why I think of La Nuit de l'Homme. Iris, vanilla, sexy. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this one as well. Fuck. Let's see, L'Homme Ideal Eau de Toilette. Oh, okay. Oh, got everything on my finger now. Meh. Yeah, it's okay. I would wear it. But it's not as sexy as the La Nuit de l'Homme. Yeah. Let's see what I think of the dry down of everything. Oh, really musky, fruity. The C notes are a bit away now, but oh, this one smells so nice. Also not really masculine. No, not really. I would wear this. I'm gonna wear this one now. This one really is fresh and nice. Oh. Yeah. Nice and fresh. Just really a shame that I'm not gonna go anywhere today. So no one can smell how good I smell today. But have you seen how I spray, guys? At least you should spray like that. And it's enough sprays with this one because there has to be ambroxan in this one. Alright, now the dry down of L'Homme. Ooh, also very nice. Yeah, this is a little bit sweeter, but a little bit woody. Yeah, sweet, woody. Also light, it's light fragrance. Yeah, this one is just a good fragrance, really. You can't go wrong on this. Right, dry down of the Guerlain. Yeah, just nice, soapy, fresh, citrusy bar soap. That's what this is. Really nice. Yeah. Dry down of Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. Ooh, still sea salty, citrusy, fresh. Yeah. Oh, also very good. Shit, maybe I kind of wonder what to wear this. Fuck it. Also wearing that one. A little bit more. More citrusy, fresh. blend your fragrances if you want. Okay, so from the fresh fragrances, I would say the Acqua di Gio is my favorite. This one is a very sexy freshy. So, and let's see what I think of the darker fragrances. I'm also including the Jean Paul Gaultier. We'll see which one smells best to me. Alright, dry down of La Nuit de l'Homme. Yeah, still sexy, cardamom. This really is a sexy fragrance. Dry down of 1 million. It's not for nothing that everybody wears this, you know. Yeah, it's just good. But you smell like everybody else. But it's really is good. Do I like this one more than La Nuit? Yeah, it projects more, but I like the smell of La Nuit more. Okay, Jazz Club. Ooh, it got way better now. Oh, okay. Okay, for me it's better than 1 million. But not better than La Nuit. The last one, the new Jean Paul Gaultier, dry down. Oh shit, that one is really sexy. Ooh, that one is really sexy. I hate to say it, but the Jean Paul Gaultier is better than La Nuit de l'Homme. Also because it projects more and it has a kind of a La Nuit de l'Homme vibe, but then more oriental. Fuck! And I don't have that one. Shit. So I need to buy that one. I need to buy the Jean Paul Gaultier. But else, if the Jean Paul Gaultier wasn't included, then for me the smell of La Nuit de l'Homme was the best. So from the fresher ones, the Acqua di Gio Profondo is the best. And for the darker, sweeter kind of a smell, La Nuit de l'Homme is the best for me. These are my winners of the fragrance haul that I did. Alright guys, I hope you liked my video of the fragrance haul that I've done. All men's fragrances. So I will be having more content for you guys. Also for the women. Get men's fragrances. It's just, it smells better. Hey guys, comment down below what kind of a designer fragrance list that you want to see of me. And see you on the next one. Bye bye.